My power is absolute. At heights no one's even dreamed of.
I bet you never danced a day in your life.
Is there any part of you left that's still human?
Now you listen to me, Huey. We're going all the way. No matter the cost, till the job's fucking done.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over
Don't you fucking move!
Don't make me shoot your papa.
telling me I got to beware.
Wishing you all the best.
It's been foretold. You are about to ascend, become immortal, divine, a true God with the love of the world.
Only the world can see you now. Homelander thinks he's a fucking god. Once he becomes immortal, he's gonna start killing like one, and we are talking millions of people.
I'll call them first.
The only ones left will be your faithful, and they will love you in their hearts.
It's over.
Run.
We lost.
We know, Kevin. We know it was you.
Payback's a bitch, bitch.
I got all of it! I fucking won!
If there's anything human in there, it's dead.
The sky is falling. The sky fucking fell.
I am God! You can't intervene. I will get the V1. And what I do, I'm gonna flay you alive. You, Starlight, all the non-believers. You're all gonna fucking drown. In your own blood. Julia!